Well, greetings everyone watching my channel. Today I'm gonna give away some valuable information over the drone license and certificate for free of cost in Europe. If you are fond of piloting a drone like DJI Mavic or Mavic 2 or even the Mavic Air or Mavic Air 2 just like this, then this is the right video for those watching right now. I will really appreciate if you hit the like button and subscribe if you are new. You can even comment if you have any questions regarding this video. As you see, it's almost impossible to fly a drone like this in Europe because of the new rules from 2021 until another upcoming new rules for 2023. So this is the provisional period. All you have to do is to follow the online course sincerely and pass the examination right after the class. Then you will obtain the certificate just like this. You have to read the whole course and watch each video available in the course so that you can acquire all the necessary knowledge required to fly drone in Europe just like this. Oops. Of A1 A3 subcategory. So this is what I got after passing the examination, after following the online course, which is absolutely free of cost. And just follow my instruction and watch until the end of this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe my channel too. I shall also be flying this drone around somewhere around the Europe very soon. Well, making new videos too. Maybe I will also upload some more tips regarding drones and knowledge over the drone policies. So let's begin without a delay. So as you see, I have obtained this certificate. This is the actually certificate which I obtained from the online course. So this is an EASA, European Union Aviation Safety Agency. So it's provided for the A1 and A3 open subcategory. So this is valid in a whole Europe. So you can also get this one of those for free. And one thing, this is for free. You can just study it online, and you have to pass the examination. That's it. Alright, let's get started. All you have to do is go to this website. So to find this website, you have to open a Google search engine. So here you type Eurocontrol training zone. So you can see the training zone.eurocontrol int. Click over there, and this is the home page. All you have to do is register. So you don't have an account, so you need to register first. You have to fill the form, fill up everything, and just check on and click the register button just like that. And as you are registered, you have to log in. As you can see, this is the beginning page. So you can also click over the get started guide to see what they have to guide you up. So otherwise I can also explain how to go to the main class so that you can immediately start the class, and then you can immediately after the class you can give an examination. And no, this is completely free. So all you have to go to the catalogs and click on training catalog. So there is a search. You can search UAS in that section, just click on shirts, then all the available training programs will appear. So as you can see, all you have to do, you need this one, UAS remote pilot open category A1 plus A3. So as you are flying an open category drone, so you must click over there and you have to read everything at first. And as you can see, it's free of cost. So you can click on the course registration and you can choose over there A1 plus A3 ultimate. So that's a free one, because the rest class is not free at all. So you have to register for this online class, and it takes around 2 hours if you are fast. And just finish it up, and then you will receive a email regarding this course, so you can directly start studying straight from now, or you can study later on when you have enough time. You can download your PDF form. This means your registration form. The request form looks something like this. All the necessary links are sent to you in the email, or you can just click over there, start studying, and then it will redirect you to its syllabus. You can read, you have to read everything. Well, you have to go step by step. You have to go through the syllabus, welcome to the course, what you need to know about the drone regulation. So everything, all these things, you have to go step by step, one by one. You have to study everything. So this is just an illustration. So I'm going to click over here, so it will redirect you to this page. Welcome. So drones are fun, but you must fly responsibly. So all you have to do is study everything one by one, step by step. After the course, you will need to take a test. So you have to pass each test, and then you will have to give a final examination. So these are all online though. So if you pass this exam, just like I did, I scored 100 on 100. Then you'll get a certificate with your registration flying number on it, so that you can fly your drone in whole Europe. This does not mean that you have to score 100%, but I think you have to score minimum 80% to pass this exam. So congratulations, now you are officially certified drone pilot. But remember, it's just for A1, A3 open category, which means you can fly a drone. Well guys, if you find this video helpful, please like my video. Well, you can also share it. If you are new, do subscribe, as I will be uploading more videos in the future. Maybe I will also upload some basic information over the drone, and also you can watch my other videos or travel videos and some drone footage, and well, enjoy it. Have a nice day. Bye.